Hi everyone, this is Luke. Today I'm going to show you how to use Mission Control on Mac. Don't worry, it's super easy. If you find this video helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. First, let's open a few windows. For example, Finder, Music and App Store. Now I have all three windows open on one desktop, and as you can see it's a bit cluttered and not very organized. For working efficiently, to make things more organized, swipe up with three fingers on the trackpad to open Mission Control. In the top right corner you will see the option to add new desktop. Since I have three open apps, I'll create three new desktop spaces. Now simply drag each open window to a different desktop space at the top, one per desktop. My first desktop is now empty because I moved all application. By sweeping three fingers to the right, I can switch to the second desktop where my first app is open. I can continue sweeping right to access my other desktop. The same sweeping gesture works from right to left to move back to the desktop. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe.